Now, as of now, we have started the Redis Influx TB Grafana Docker containers on JMeter Docker network, and these containers are up and running. We have started the Redis database with the SSL certificate, and we have created those certificate and key files using OpenSSL. These files are here in the repository. And we also created the Java key store file, which will be used by JMeter Docker containers later. And this is this file in the repository directory. Now we will first start the JMeter slave or JMeter server container. So to start this JMeter server container, we will use this command. We started this JMeter server container in the JMeter Docker network with this IP, and we have mapped that Java key store file as a Docker volume. We have also mapped the JMeter server log into our local system. So if you go in the logs directory, you will see the server log, JMeter server log.